Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to Garden World, your go-to spot for all things green and gorgeous. If you're like me and love to see your plants grow fast, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 fast-growing houseplants that will have your space looking lush in no time. So grab a cup of tea, hit that like button, and let's get growing. First up is the classic golden pothos, also known as the devil's ivy. This vine grows like crazy, adding several inches a week under the right conditions. It's low maintenance, tolerates low light, and only needs watering when the soil dries out. Bonus, it purifies your air. Hang it in a basket or let it climb a trellis. It'll thrive anywhere. Care tip: place it in bright, indirect light for faster growth. Next, we have the spider plant, famous for its cute baby spiderettes that dangle from the mother plant. Not only does it grow quickly, but it also propagates itself like a champ. Perfect for beginners and super forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. Care tip: keep it in moderate light and repot when it gets root bound. It loves the extra space to grow. Looking for height? The bamboo palm is your go-to. This fast-growing beauty can reach up to 7 feet indoors. It's perfect for creating a tropical vibe and thrives in medium to bright, indirect light. Care tip: keep the soil slightly moist and mist the leaves occasionally to mimic its natural humid environment. You didn't think we'd leave out the trusty snake plant, did you? This one may not grow as visibly fast, but when it gets going, it's unstoppable, sending up new leaves like there's no tomorrow. Plus, it's nearly indestructible. Care tip: bright, indirect light speeds up growth, but it'll survive just about anywhere. The ZZ plant is another low-maintenance favorite that grows surprisingly fast once it gets established. Its shiny, waxy leaves make it a showstopper in any corner of your home. Care tip: use well-draining soil and avoid overwatering. It's drought-tolerant. Philodendrons, like the heartleaf or Brazil variety, are speed demons. These trailing beauties can grow several feet in just a year, turning any space into a green paradise. Care tip: keep the soil slightly moist and give it a moss pole for vertical growth. Not only does the peace lily grow fast, but it also blooms gorgeous white flowers when happy. It's a fantastic choice for filling up space quickly, especially if you want a plant that thrives in low light. Care tip: water regularly and keep it away from direct sunlight to avoid scorched leaves. Want a bushy, dramatic look? The Boston fern is your best friend. It's a fast grower that's ideal for hanging baskets or shelves, and it thrives in humid environments. Care tip: keep it in a humid spot like a bathroom or mist, it often to prevent dry, crispy fronds. Ah, the trendy Monstera deliciosa. Its dramatic split leaves grow larger and larger over time, and under the right conditions, you'll see consistent growth every month. Care tip: give it bright, indirect light and a support pole for climbing. It'll reward you with massive, gorgeous leaves. Last but not least is the wandering Jew. This colorful, purple-striped vine grows incredibly fast and adds a pop of color to your plant collection. It's super easy to propagate, too. Care tip: place it in bright, indirect light for vibrant colors and water when the top inch of soil is dry. And there you have it, 10 of the fastest-growing houseplants to bring life to your home. Which one's your favorite? Or do you already have a few of these speed growers in your collection? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Garden World update. Until next time, happy planting!